Hey guys, welcome back to LJTube Gaming, and today we are on Wisteria. Today what we're going to be doing is gaining the new sound breathing. I really want this because it gives dual katanas like beast breathing, and it also has many range moves, and I like range moves. Like any far range stuff I would love to happen in this game. I've always been wanting something like this to happen. So let's meet this trainer. Did quite a number to my ball. My luck. And boom, first skill, roar. So let's try this out. It looks like it might have something ranged. Next time I'll show off more. Congratulations for beating the final exam. Now then I'm gonna pop red nitrogen, see-through world. Roar. Boom, forward reload. You think this is the range move? Yep. Oh, he guard broke me. And I basically have to reset. As you can see, I'm not the best when it comes to PvP in this game. I don't like how this game doesn't respawn me with lots of HP, and I have to save my money for my total concentration breathing training. Anyway, just follow this video. Ooh, we have dual katanas. That way you could just follow this video, pause it if you need to. All you need to do to get to him is go to the cave that's behind the sharpening place. Let's showcase the moves real quick. So those are the two moves that I've unlocked so far. I think there's 4. It's either that they have 4 or 3. Anyway, I'm gonna try and make this video as fast as possible, so that means no more losing. As you can see, this is the sharpening area. And then there's a little cave right behind there. You can't miss it. It's really obvious. And then when you go in there, that's where the sound trainer is. Gonna activate that. And then now all because I didn't spawn with much HP, I might die. Which I'm gonna run for a little. As you can see, this is why I wish I would just spawn with full HP, and I hate having to buy food in this game. Okay, fine, I'll just buy food. weird how, like, why don't they make it so I can spawn with full HP? That's all I want. Okay, I should start healing a little now. I don't like how much food costs, and how you are barely given any money. I wish that they let you like choose your quest without before a crew comes. It'll let you choose your quest. I would just choose boss demon, because the strong demons are annoying. Oh man was attacking me. I would have tested these skills in PvP. Anyway, sorry for these inconveniences of me absolutely sucking at this game. But anyway, we're gonna hurry up and do this now. Once again, all you need to do is wall jump by doing spacebar and breathing. And then when you release the jump like that, that's when you press Q. Time to defeat this boss. I'm just gonna keep on attacking using red nitrogen. It shouldn't be too hard. And red nitrogen is not working, so that skill looks crazy. I'm gonna roar. Don't do that. I'm gonna do another roar. Boom, constant resounding slashes. Look at that looks amazing. Anyway, let's get the fourth and final skill. I think I have a combo that I might be able to use. First, I'm gonna put my constants. I'm gonna fix. I'm fine with my forward reherb doing that. Ooh, that's the next skill. That looks nice. Boom, buffing back up. That second skill looks... that final skill looks epic. Okay, that's blockable. Bop, bop, bop. You need to, like, hit him into a combo, I guess. Right here. I think they just need to fix the range on the forward reherb for a little bit. But I think I might become a sound breathing main instead of Thunder, because Thunder was starting to get boring. He is taking much longer to kill than expected. For some reason my red nitrogen is glitched. And there we go. Final move is the string performance. I think this is gonna be my kid. Okay, let's go over the skills. First skill, roar. Looks pretty cool. Next skill is the forward. Reverb. Then we got the constant resounding slashes. And then finally, string performance. And then look at the cooldown on this. It's so short. Roar had like a glitch before where it didn't have any cooldown. But this was the sound breathing. I'll see how it works out in PvP. And until next time, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.